Good morning, this is your severe weather outlook for Saturday, June 6, 2020. I am Extreme Weather's AI meteorologist, James Johnson. Here are your severe weather headlines in under a minute. First, Tropical Storm Cristobal is expected to make landfall in Louisiana later on Sunday with heavy rain, squalls, and isolated tornadoes possible. Second, a strong low-pressure system will keep a good chance of severe thunderstorms across the northern plains through the weekend. And finally, hot weather in the plains will be contrasted with a dramatic cool down in the west and the possibility of a foot of snow for the higher elevation of the northern Rockies. Tropical Storm Cristobal will move over the central Gulf of Mexico on Saturday and be near the northern Gulf of Mexico coast on Sunday. Warnings have been issued for life-threatening storm surge and tropical storm force winds. Heavy rain and high surf rip currents are also expected. There is an enhanced risk for severe thunderstorms across parts of the northern plains Saturday and Sunday. And now here is your detailed severe weather outlook for today. Tropical Storm Cristobal has adopted a steady northward motion across the Gulf of Mexico and is forecast to head toward the central Gulf Coast. Cristobal has broad and asymmetric circulation with the bulk of the heavy rain falling to the north and northeast of the storm center. Heavy downpours and squalls associated with the outer rain bands of Cristobal are expected to reach many areas along the Gulf Coast later today from Louisiana eastward to the Florida Panhandle and possibly northern Florida. Cristobal is forecast to make landfall on the Louisiana coast later on Sunday as a tropical storm. Increasing winds and waves along with heavy rain can be expected to batter the Louisiana coastal sections on Sunday as the core of Cristobal approaches. Some isolated tornadoes are also possible. By Monday morning, the storm center should continue to track further inland and begins to weaken. Nevertheless, very heavy rain can be expected to overspread much of the lower Mississippi Valley, especially just east of the storm track. A potent upper-level low is forecast to track southeastward into the western U.S. over the next couple of days, while upper-level energy moves in from the subtropics as well. This and a frontal system at the surface will cause increasing precipitation chances, mostly in the form of scattered thunderstorms through Saturday. Locally heavy rain is possible, with flash flooding not out of the question. Some snow is even possible, mostly in higher elevations of the Cascades and northern Rockies, but snow levels are expected to lower even over portions of the Great Basin Sunday. Farther east over the northern central plains, severe weather will be a threat both Saturday and Sunday, with enhanced risks of severe weather in place. The west should see another warm day, with critical fire danger continuing, before quite a cool down pushing the fire danger to eastern Arizona, much of New Mexico, eastern Colorado. Cooler high temperatures of 15 to 30 degrees below average are forecast for the Great Basin Sunday as the upper trough continues moving eastward. Meanwhile, warm to hot temperatures will continue in the central U.S. over the weekend underneath upper-level ridging. The plains could see high temperatures of 10 to 20 degrees above average, with highs in the 90s as far north as the Dakotas by Sunday. This is James Johnson reporting for Extreme Weather. Our weather information is derived from the National Weather Service Weather Prediction Center, located in College Park, Maryland. Our outlook uses AI technology developed by Extreme Weather, and our audio broadcast is digitally mastered by Jarvis Media Group. Have a great weekend. And let's stay weather aware.
This broadcast is made possible in part by Extreme Weather. Funding for this broadcast is provided in part by our viewers and their donations. We would like to thank our viewers for their continued support of this extreme weather program. Thank you for listening, and please check back often for further weather updates that may impact you and your area.